recording. Okay, guys, we are recording. Okay. I'm gonna.
You can talk, and I'll follow you.
Hello, guys. This is a video of I shot a bullet on like a pellet gun. I'm shooting in pellets. And look, right here, I got so close to the X. And these are all my other shots around here. And this is my main one. I got so close.
Yes.
Success.
He's shooting a pellet gun for the first time. Him and his cousin Dorian. Here's the 4 of us. Me, Billy, and him. I'm sweaty. It's hot. There's the other 4.
Yeah.
All 4 of them.
I'm the only one that has a shot in the middle.
Say hi, guys.
Hi. Hello. My video.
And these right here mark all of the spots from where we shoot.
Right here and Billy
Here's the guns. There's
Billy
Dorian.
Oh, look. There's some more.
Billy.
There's 4 in here.
There's our pellets.
Oh.
Okay.
I shot 3.
How about you guys? How about you open their airs and load them?
They're loaded.
They're already loaded.
Yep.
Okay. All right. You guys get up and shoot. And I'm gonna reward. I'm at record while you guys are shooting. Go ahead. Come on, guys.
Don't do it very long because my battery, I think it's...
Well, come on. Oh, you guys are shooting here.
No, mine was fully charged last night and I played it today.
And for the X, breathe. Now stop, let him make his shot.
Safety first. Safety first. All right. You guys want to go see where you landed? Okay, we're gonna see his because he hasn't seen his yet.
Okay, I don't mind it. I don't know where
Okay,
mine went.
stand down there, Dorian, and smile by your bullet holes. Kneel down. Perfect. Look, and point at it.
You just point
Good
out.
job. Uh-oh. The wind's blowing. All right, let's go see where you shot. Where's your new one?
Mine closest one. My newest one is this one.
Cool.
Right there.
You're doing real good hitting the bullet
I'm
holes.
getting a little bit closer so I can see.
I did.
All right, okay. So,
Where?
Right there. But this one I shot twice. One inside of the hole.
Yeah, I
I'm
did.
showing all of your.
Ow!
And right
And then,
there.
Ouch.
this is Billy's. He only got 1, 2, 3, 4. Mommy shot the guy in the head, the neck, right here, and that's it.
He actually got
I
him in
tried
the
to
head.
pierce the guy's ear.
You did.
I tried to pierce him.
I'm gonna try to do.
All right. And that concludes the end of the shooting range video.
Sadly, this is the end of this video. Goodbye.